Hello, folks. Today it's not a paranormal related today, but it's kind of considered not normal, or maybe it is normal because this is not the first time it's happened this year. But I had, which I don't have in my possession now, so I don't know why I'm getting this letter. I used to have a first generation Toyota Yaris, and it was 1999. But I actually got a letter from Toyota today, and it says important recall information. Dear so and so, at Toyota we place the highest priority in the quality of our vehicles. I knew this first line was going to be, oh, we pride ourselves in the quality of our products. Although from time to time we do fuck up a little bit. Right, where am I? At Toyota, we place the highest priority in the quality of our vehicles, and we are constantly motivating the performance of our vehicles through a variety of sources. From time to time, we may become aware of a situation where a certain component or aspect of the vehicle does not meet our strict standards, and that is why we are writing to you today. What is the condition? Your Toyota Yaris is fitted with a front driver side airbag containing a Takata non-azide driver inflator, in brackets NADI. That's possibly a gas or something, I don't know. I'm not big up on airbags, I don't know. Although Toyota is not aware of any case in Europe, according to information provided by the airbag supplier, in the event of a collision in which the airbag is activated, it may not deploy correctly. If an incorrect deployment occurs, it could result in two phenomena. 1. The airbag inflator fills the airbag too late or does not inflate the airbag completely. If this occurs, Toyota cannot guarantee that it would protect you as designed, which isn't good really. 2 is even worse. The airbag inflator ruptures, possibly propelling metal fragments into the vehicle's cabin at high speed. If this occurs, it could increase the possibility of severe injury. That isn't good. That is not great now. I've looked up on this, and I've seen other recalls from earlier in the year concerning other models with airbag systems. So there is a possibility that there is something severely wrong with the parts department, the parts supplier with airbags. Way back years ago, manufacturers built cars and they built all the components of that car. Now, if you have a certain brand of car, some of those components are shared among other different models of cars. So it cuts costs. They will source certain components, even certain engines, from other manufacturers to put into their vehicles. It's all about cost cutting and stuff like that. This case means that they're not happy with the airbag systems. Now, there are those recalls with other models. So I don't know what the story is going to be. Are they going to change manufacturer of airbags or what, because this is kind of concerning. What's even more concerning is my airbag in my car has been in my car for 21 years. And I'm only getting recalled now. You know, that's kind of weird. Like, that airbag in my car is not going to harm anybody because it split in half one day and it went to the crusher. It went to the scrapoo, to be honest with you. But to get a recall on a 21-year-old car, well, it's not the first time. I actually had a second generation Volkswagen recalled in way back years ago. I had a Mark II Golf recalled and it was old at the time. Like, I've no doubt that Toyota are a good manufacturer of vehicles. They're one of the most reliable vehicles on the road. Just didn't like the Yaris. It was a bit tinny. It was a bit of a shit box, to be honest with you. Very cheap and crappy. In comparison to the Corolla. The Corolla is boring, but at least, you know, it is very reliable and strongly built and that. The Yaris was a pile of tin, you know. But yeah. And then I have, alongside that is a Toyota directory where I get addresses of all the garages that deals with Toyota throughout Northern Ireland and the UK. You know, and then I've got some forms to fill out and stuff like that. But it doesn't concern me in this case because the car is not alive anymore. The engine might be in some other Yaris, I don't know, or is it completely gone to make tin cans? I don't know, but yeah, to have a recall like that is kind of concerning. But I you know, you know, these two conditions that they've said about the airbag possibly underinflating, and the second condition of metal fragments being propelled into the vehicle, I presume is the worst case scenario. But I'm just surprised after 21 years that you know, that something has set off alarm bells about that. I don't, you know. Then again, I don't know. But they're basically blaming the airbag supplier. So they don't make. It doesn't seem like they make the airbags to get the airbags in from somewhere else. But judging from some other videos that I've seen, it's affected other models, other Toyota models. So are they using the same airbag company? And what way are they going to deal with it? Are they going to continue using the airbag company that has caused this problem? Have they changed the company? Are they just going to fix it and just continue on with the same thing? I don't know. I just don't know. I just decided to come on here just in case that would be of interest to somebody, seeing as, you know, some people are subscribed because I've covered a few vehicles on this channel. But anyway, folks, I'm going to leave it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.